Ladies and gentlemen, a new pre-release version for Minecraft Java Edition 1.13 has been released. Here's Minecraft 1.13 pre-release 4. This contains bug fixes and some technical improvements to the game code. My name is slicedlime and I'm here to take you through all of the changes in this version. Let's start with some gameplay stuff. There's some blocky and fully bright areas that would appear underwater, especially when you set blocks above it. That's been fixed in this version. Water also wouldn't flow sideways when there was no block below it, and instead water source blocks could get destroyed from water flowing downwards. Both of those issues with flowing water have been fixed in this version. In the previous pre-releases, waterlogged blocks and bubble columns didn't absorb explosion damage like normal water does. That's fixed in this version. Iron golems would spawn inside of blocks. That's fixed in this version. And a redstone fix too. Observers that get moved by pistons had a change in the previous pre-release version that seems to have fixed a lot of problems but introduced one more. Here's a video from YouTuber Warben from the bug report showing the issue. I'll leave a link to that channel in the description as well. In the previous pre-release it was also possible to once again duplicate TNT. That has been fixed in this version. Couple of fixes for projectiles as well. When they spawn, the projectiles would ignore collisions for about one block, and blue wither heads were intangible and invincible on the first ticks after being spawned. One fix for world upgrades in this version as well. Enchanted books would lose their enchantments when upgrading, so if you've been holding off on upgrading your world because of the enchanted books issue, then that is fixed in this version. A couple of user interface fixes as well. Biome names in the world buffet type menu are now sorted alphabetically, and you were only able to scroll the list in the super flat preset selection when it was focused, and that is fixed as well in this version. One sound fix: music could play despite the music and jukebox sliders being set to off. That's fixed in this version. And some fixes for commands and packs. In some of the previous pre-releases, how comparators work together with command blocks had some changes done to them. That resulted in them not outputting results properly, and that's been fixed in this version. Also, normal players that aren't operators were allowed to use player selectors in the /message command. That exploit has been fixed in this version. And also, the damage predicate in models were inverted in the previous pre-release. That's been fixed in this one. In addition to that, there were some fixes to the technical backend of the game. Some performance improvements in general. In specifics, some extreme lag got fixed when you used the /locate command or when a new explorer map got generated. There's also a coordinate math error causing some structures to not generate and possibly some other issues as well. And in addition to that, the lightweight Java game library that the game uses has been upgraded to a newer version. Those are all the changes in this version. If you want to try it out, go into your Minecraft launcher, go into launch options and enable snapshots there. You'll get a message of warning. Please read it and click OK, then return to the news tab. Now in the drop down box here you will have a latest snapshot profile. Select that and start the game, and now you'll be playing the latest snapshot or pre-release version, which is currently this one, Minecraft 1.13 pre-release 4. Do keep in mind that pre-releases are not quite as tested as full releases and could contain unknown bugs. If you do try it, make sure you have a backup of your world, or try it on a separate test world. That was all from me for this time. My name is slicedlime, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.